You meet me here at Manchester Piccadilly, and we're going to Stafford to see a very special train arrive at apparently 6 p.m. and it's sitting there from 6 till 7. So this is going to be fun. 51. We're going to be catching the 16:15 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston that we're going to be taking to Stoke-on-Trent. So yeah, we've got around 25 minutes, which is fine. I've currently brought up a cold, so if I sound different or if I'm not talking as much as I normally would, just because I've got a cold, can't do anything. So yeah. Oh, City of Carlisle. Made it onto the Avanti. It's going to take around 30 minutes to get to Stoke-on-Trent, and we have a 6-minute change to get to our West Midlands service to Stafford. So this is all going to go well. These seats softer than Northern, which is a good thing. Yeah, I'm taking this for like 30 minutes to Stoke-on-Trent. There we are. 4 coaches, first class at the front. Who else would put a 4-coach train to Southampton? Why put a 4-coach to Southampton? If it's really busy, we might have to. First class seems really empty, just so you know. On the cross country in first class because if we'd stayed in the Avanti, we wouldn't have made it. This is the only other option, so we've had to do this. 1740 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool line. We're here at Stafford and we're about to be seeing a steam train arrive into Stafford. I've got my phone set up to get the cinematic shot for the video and it's about to arrive, so let's go record it. Hang on, this ain't it. Damn it, train's meant to come any second. And there's a service to Liverpool arriving. Oh, here it is. Oh, it just did its whistle. It's giving itself a smoke screen. The Mancunian 44871. Look at that. Whoa. 5MC for West Coast Railway. Oh, that smell. It smells amazing. Hello. This standard class. I'm going to try and run down to the front in a second. That's what Intercity first class looked like back when it's Intercity days. That's first class. Don't know if it's stopping. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna now head home, so see you later.